You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today?
Learn how to pronounce this name from Czech. The Czech pronunciation, it's also Slovak. It's a given name of Slavic origin. In Czech, it is pronounced as Vojtech. Vojtech. In English, you can say it as Vojtech, or it's often pronounced also as Vojtech. Let's listen to it again. Vojtech.
Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.